Hey Lisa, I want to do this video for you to, try your best. I want you to know that you're in good hands in the sense that I can basically do this myself, but I want to train you up on how to do this. So just the fact that you're trying is what matters to me, and just submitting, what you've done, and then I can kind of progress and provide more videos to guide you along the way. But I want to kind of teach you this new thing here called it's in the Dropbox folder I shared with you, and it's should be, what's this called? It's called JSON XPath Builder Pro. So let's just see what's in the JSON format. Okay, so I just want to show you where to find it first. I think this is it right here. So unpack this and install it, and then you should be able to open up this thing here. Okay. Alright, so let me show you how to do this now. Under UBot, under Bybit API, I've created it so that it can retrieve the active order. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to UI. Once you load this up with your own account, you'll be able to, in a sense, see it. Okay. So let me show you the thing now. I'm gonna go ahead and create an order. So currently there's no orders in the top part. I'm gonna go ahead and load it up. I'm gonna hit a sell order, and I think I should probably have some kind of confirmation message so I can see. So there it is, it created automatically. Okay, so once these two are created, then you can kind of go back in here and then run get the active order. Okay, so this is what the get active order. It's I didn't complete this yet. It's kind of like done in a shoddy way, so nothing's coming in. I kind of put this, so later on I'm gonna fix it later on, but I just want to make sure this works before I actually kind of like make it all sophisticated programming where you can then use it to enter anything in it. So I'm gonna eventually change this thing to just bit by bit retrieve something like a generic command, so then that way you can enter get whatever and the inputs actually go in instead of hard coding it in. Hopefully it makes sense. So this will be kind of in variables too, so that I can then retrieve the commands I need. Instead of putting it fixed, it comes in through an input, so I could put in get order, cancel order, whatever up here, and I'll pass through everything, and I just have to do it once. Okay, so anyways, it's hard coded enough for a get active order, and once you hit it, you open up the text file for this in the debug history folder, on the debug history, which is leverage debug history. That opens up this file, but make sure you open up in the Note++. So what it now did was created the orders. Okay, so what you want to do is copy this. All right, open up that thing, and what it'll do is now paste it. So once you paste it, it'll paste in the new key, and you can then see the two things that was created. Okay, and then this is the order IDs that you need to pull out. And the way to pull this out, I need to do another video to kind of show you how to pull it out, but it's going to get all the values in that ID. So if I kind of hit this, it'll get those actual values. Okay, so once I know that this is my JSON expression that I need, I basically can then go back over here to my code and extract it out of here. So then I'll make it pop out, and then I would say clear list. I'll call this order ID. And then I'm gonna put that whatever I extracted into this list. JSON list. Okay, there it is. So here's my JSON expression, which is that order ID. I'm gonna get the object and I'll put it here. So I'm hard coding a lot of stuff right now just so you can see, but you don't want to do all this because then if it's specific to this, I have to recreate every time. I just want you to be able to extract these numbers when you need it. But once I fix it up, you'll be able to see that nothing's all hard coded, it's all variables. And all this JSON, whatever stuff gets imported in as an argument so that you can again pull it all out, okay? Alright, so now once that's there, I can then return it. And so then you can get what you need here, okay? So now once I run it, it'll actually just pull out that one thing. So let me go ahead and do that. And boom. There's my order IDs. Copy and paste that. Then you can run that into another define as an argument input that says, hey, now this is my new active order to cancel. So in a sense, this will be a reusable code. Kind of eventually you'll be able to kind of reuse this, but instead of say get order, it'll be cancel order. Reusing the same function over and over. So once I do it right, in a sense it's already done, but I want to have you do it so that you know, you can learn. Okay. Okay, and then yeah, go from there. And then I'm just gonna clean things up a little bit on this side. So basically what I'm gonna need here on the comments here as an input, I'm going to need a command. I'm going to need the required parameters to optional parameters. And then returns a list. Yeah, returns a list, or actually I just put this here also, variable to retrieve or something. Name of variable, yeah. Something like, I think that's what I need to of requesting. Okay. Alright, so now I'm just gonna do this later on. It's like midnight. I'm tired. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'll do it in another video to kind of see the transition from me just testing to make sure it works. After it works, then I make sure that I provide those variables. So all these things can come in as like enter command. So you know, input. You know, this thing, once I pull it in, this will be the command. There'll be a command variable called set. I'm actually gonna just do it now because I'm like on a roll here, and guess I'm not that tired. So it'll be this pulled in, position 0, command, make sure everything's local. I'm gonna check it every time. And then that command goes in here. Mainnet, we'll probably be using mainnet all the time, but I don't want to assume it either. So I usually just have to put it in. Let me just do that again too. So I just add it to the end. So I'll copy this. So now that I kind of messed it up, you can't really retrieve it now because I have to completely finish it in order for you to use it. But just you know, program it as if you have data, and just kind of make up some phony data that you can use and make sure that, you know, it gets entered properly. Parameter variables. I probably need to fix that later. And I need values too. So I'm noticing I need more things, which will become extensive. Of course, I need copy and paste. Alright, and I don't know if I want to continue. So now the input would be get order. I need the right here, order status. Order status. New. I should give me the same thing. Alright, I messed it up. Alright, so I don't wanna do this right now. Alright, good night. So I'll fix this up and then it should be good to go. And then we'll be able to plug the proper data in, and then I'll figure out why it's not working. Alright, thanks.